We will now install the Super Trend Indicator onto your Thinkorswim platform. You should find the file in your download folder. It may be zipped. Simply unzip, and you will now find the Super Trend text file. Click it, and it'll pull up with the code that we need to copy and paste. Control A selects all, Control C copies it. Head back over here to Thinkorswim, click this beaker that says Edit Studies, and now click Strategies. Then click Create. This is the field that we will Control V to paste this code. You can name it what you would like, and then click OK. Now click Apply. You may not have this floating P&L here on the bottom. This is because it is a free study that comes with Thinkorswim. You can pull it up and Studies, Floating P&L, and Apply, and click OK. Had you taken this on the 15-minute chart, you would be up 2,300 in the last 20 days.